This is another one of my childhood favorite home-cooked meals my mom made. I'm making an easy chicken wing braised in savory oyster sauce, flavored with fresh ginger and spring onions. It's a type of dish my mom made after coming back from work. After a long day at work, you want to come home and make an easy, flavorful meal to impress your family. This recipe will help you accomplish that. These tasty wings are cooked slow and gentle, absorbing all of the lovely sauce as it bubbles away. And this sauce is the key. It is jam-packed full of flavors and goes great over rice. Hey everyone, my name is Wally. I like it, I cook it, I share it. Let's go. First step is to give the wings a wash in cold water. Then squeeze out any excess water. This is 1 kilogram of chicken wings, separated with no wingtips. It looks like a lot, the wings are mostly bone. This will serve 2 to 3 people along with side dishes. Lay them out and pat them dry. The drier these wings are, the better it takes flavors from seasoning. Make a few cuts on one side of the wings to help with seasoning. When you're done, this is fresh ginger. You know it's fresh when you see moisture on a fresh cut surface. Grate in 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Ginger is a meat tenderizer and adds zesty flavor to these wings. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground white pepper and mix. A minute later, add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix again for a minute, and then add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix for another minute. I like to mix the seasonings in intervals. This way I make sure that all the seasonings get in. But if you're feeling lazy, you can always dump everything into it and just mix it at once. You can prepare this in the morning and keep it in the refrigerator and cook this when you come back in the evening from work for maximum flavors. Or a few hours marinate in the refrigerator works in a pinch too. Now here is our braising sauce. Starting with 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Make sure to get the best Chinese oyster sauce that you can get because it really makes a big difference in flavoring. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar. And you can use the sauce over anything basically, vegetables, fish, steaks, you name it. Give a quick stir and set it aside. I also prepared half a cup of hot chicken stock. If using store-bought, make sure it's no sodium or low sodium. You can also use water. Separate the whites on the spring onions, the green parts we'll add in the end. Smash up 3 large garlic cloves and give it a few rough chops. Also, slice up 6 or 7 pieces of ginger and keep it with the spring onions and garlic. Now you're going to see how easy it is to prepare this delicious braised chicken wings. Heat your pan on a medium. When it gets hot, add a few tablespoons of cooking oil. Layer your wings down and we'll cook these just until it starts to turn brown on the bottom. It should take about 2 minutes. When the 2 minutes are up, flip the chicken to the other side. Both sides should be nicely browned. We're not looking to cook the wings fully, we're just making the skin tastier. I mean, just look at these, they look so good to eat already. And now add the garlic, ginger, and whites of spring onions and stir around for 10 seconds. And now add a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. It's gonna smell so good. Oh, it smells even better. Then separately heat up the chicken stock or water. You want to make sure your liquids are hot before you add it in to your pan. Now give the sauce a final mix and pour it in. Now stir around on a low heat for about 10 seconds. And keep your pan covered. We're going to braise these for around 8 minutes, but give it a good stir halfway through. But at this point, it is very easy to overcook, so About 8 minutes total time should do it. Now this step is really important. You gotta taste the sauce, okay? Don't trust this idiot to tell you what tastes good or not. If your taste buds tell you that it needs a little bit more salt, add a little bit of salt, but remember to add a little bit at a time, taste it, and season it more if you need it. Because remember, in cooking, it is always easier to add than it is to take out. And throw in the green parts of the spring onions. Oh man, look at this. This is so delicious. As I mentioned before, it goes great over rice. Try this one out, folks. I know you guys will love it. As always, I do make deliveries. I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. I will see you all in the next one.